Hey guys, this is video 11. So this is the end of the course. So we're going to go through some conclusions of the Siem training with me, InfoSec Pat. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this course. I really did making it. There's a lot of cool opportunities to learn more, but we're going to go through that right now. So what did we learn together during this, maybe hour or so of live training? So what we learned is how to install a OSSIM server and sensor. We were able to configure an OSSIM server and sensor. And we also learned how to set up and configure the NIDS, the network intrusion detection systems, and capture and analyze live data. When we did TCP dump and we were able to analyze that data live, we can see any kinds of alerts and stuff like that. We also learned how to install Kali Linux, which you guys probably seen a lot on my videos. And we also learned how to install a web server, which is Ubuntu, and forward those logs to the syslog. Man, I need to get sysvol out of my head. I've been working on a lot of Windows servers this week, so sorry about that. But yeah, so what else can we learn? Like from the lab that we set up, what else can we do with this lab, right? We can also add more to this lab, right? We can install MS2, which is Metasploitable 2. And if you have any questions on that, I have a lot of videos on a playlist about setting up a home lab. So you can watch those and learn more about Metasploitable 2. And you can incorporate that with this lab. So you can learn some pen testing and all that good stuff. And what you can also do is install VulnHub machines. So you can go out to VulnHub, download the virtual machine, put it into your environment, and just lab it up, right? Do some awesome stuff. You can also create different networks, right? You can set up VLANs, different subnets, and just learn how to secure them within your lab environment, right? So say, for example, if you have a managed switch at home, or if you just want to virtualize it all and do it inside your VirtualBox environment, just tinker. This is what this is all about. Learn, tinker, and just progress in your career. So that's it. So awesome words. I want to say thank you so much for watching all these videos and becoming a member of my channel. That's, the world to me. I really appreciate it. There's many more courses to come. I really wanted to put this together for the channel. And I know other people were asking how to set up, SIM tools, do some blue teaming, and this will be a great start. And then you can progress from there. All right. So a goal of mine for this channel is to hit 100,000 subscribers. With you being a member, please, help me get there. That's one of the goals for the InfoSec Pat channel. Hopefully I can get there maybe one day. I don't want to put a time on it because, I have about almost 26,000 or 27,000 subscribers at the moment. And I've been doing it for about 2 years. So, it might be a few more years, but without you guys, none of this is possible. So thank you. All right. So this is a little picture. So a picture is worth 1,000 words. So as a hacker, right, or as a defender, if you're looking at SIM tools, right, this hacker is going to try to, invade, intrude in your network, try to hack things, try to, brute force. And having that SIM experience now, you can look into the logs and check out who's trying to brute force SSH, who's trying to log on to my server without permission, et cetera, et cetera. So hopefully this is super informative for you folks. Thank you so much for becoming a member again. And if you have any questions about this course, please leave a comment in the description below or just join my Discord. It's free. And I'm going to go ahead and put a channel strictly for this SIM course. So if you are a member, you'll have access to that. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.